Racing just is started. We have Kapit Bahay. Break quickly at the start. Moving up on the outside. Mischievous. Queen's Gold. Down on the inside is Alamona Yan. Larin Kata. Tor Azura. Papillon. Sunday Street. Mogul Panibugho. While Incorruptible is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn. Alamona Yan. And on the outside. Queen's Gold. Larin Cat is down on the inside third. Then followed over by Mischievous Kapit Bahay. Tor Azura Papillon. Sunday Street comes next. Mogul then comes Incorruptible while Panibugho now racing in 11th half mile distance they traveled. Now we have two entries fighting out for the lead. Queen's Gold moves over the outside by our neck. Alam mo na yan is down on the inside. Latin Cat is down in third. Mischievous Incorruptible now moving up. Mogul Sunday Street. Tor Azura comes next. Papillon Kapit Bahay while Panibugho is still racing in 11th class 400 meters of the race. The lead now belongs to Latin Cat by our length and have Queen's Gold in second as they swing for home. Latin Cat followed by Queen's Gold. Incorruptible is down in third with about 100 meters of the race. We have Latin Cat, Queen's Gold in second. Incorruptible Mogul is already outside as 50 meters. We have Latin Cat and Pilot's Latin Cat. Second is Queen's Gold. Then comes Mogul, Incorruptible, Sunday Street, and Tor Azura for your supers.